Okay, so I'm sick right now, but oh well. I decided to film a skincare routine because why not? I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I have this cloth though. It's by Polished Beauty. I don't know, it's like a makeup removing cloth. I just got it from Winners or something. It was super cheap and it works really well. I'm not wearing any makeup right now anyways, but it's nice. First, I like to exfoliate. Right now I'm using, I don't know, the Mary Kay Timewise microdermebrasion thing or whatever. I don't know, I don't really have a set exfoliator. I change it all the time, but this works nice. I have dry skin, so it works pretty well. The only thing is, because it's like a microdermabrasion rather than an exfoliator, there's always like the little gritty pieces just left on your face. So I have to spend a little extra time getting those off than I would if it was just like a regular exfoliator. It does work really well though. And then after, I just use the Kiehl's. This is just their Ultra Facial Cleanser. I find that it always makes my skin feel like tight after, if that makes sense. I have a pretty simple skin routine, I guess. And then I just pat my skin dry. I really only use an exfoliator and a face wash. That's about it. I don't even really use exfoliator every day, probably more like every second day. Just gonna put some chapstick on. Then for my moisturizer, because I have dry skin, this may seem pretty extra. First, this is for nighttime. I have the daytime one as well, but this is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It smells really good. It's like lavender and stuff, which is nice when you're going to bed. So first I put this on. I'd only just do 3 drops for like my whole face and my neck. Seems to work. And then after I am done with the serum, I like to use, this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I normally put this on first. I have so many creams. Mainly just like my forehead, my nose, parts where it gets extra dry, I guess. And then I have the Ole Henrikson Truth Advanced Moisturizing Cream. It smells like oranges, which is delicious. It has vitamin C, which I find is brightening, I guess, to the skin. So I really like this. It's also really nice during the winter when my skin is extra dry. I always make sure that I get it down onto my neck because, I don't know, I just don't really feel like having neck wrinkles when I'm older. Figure it's better to start preventing that sooner rather than later. And then after I'm done with that cream, I have the Glamglow Glow Starter. Pretty sure this one's in the shade Nude Glow. And I just like putting this where I put highlight. I don't really do this for nighttime, but especially for daytime, so I'll just show it, because why not? It always looks really nice underneath my foundation, and it actually is pretty highlighting, considering it's just a moisturizing cream, and it smells like orange creamsicles, which is delicious. But yeah, I wouldn't normally do this for nighttime just because I'm sleeping, so no one's gonna see me anyways. But if it was daytime, then I would use this same routine exactly, except for the Kiehl serum, I would use the daytime one, and then I would put the Glamglow Glow Starter just on like the high points of my face. I don't know, I think it's really pretty, especially once you put makeup on. And yeah, that is my skincare routine. Pretty simple, it's not really much to it.